Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Al-Baqarah 2 ayah 2. وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الْمَحِيضِ قُلْ هُوَ أَذًى فَاعْتَزِلُوا النِّسَاءَ فِي الْمَحِيضِ وَلَا تَقْرَبُوهُنَّ حَتَّى يَطْهُرْنَ فَإِذَا تَطَهَّرْنَ فَأْتُوهُنَّ مِنْ حَيْثُ أَمَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ التَّوَّابِينَ وَيُحِبُّ الْمُتَطَهِّرِينَ. And they question you about the menstruations. Say it is a hurt, anxiety. So detach the woman in the menstruation, and you do not go near them until they are purified. So when they are purified, then come to them from where Allah has ordered you. Surely Allah loves those who returns, and He loves those who purify. Now we men in all times do not know, are uneducated of this process of menstruation with the women. So we are asking who? The messenger. So Allah said they asked you, the messenger, about menstruation, because this woman has having this is a medical research. This is a medical research why the menstruations are there. I am not a learned man of doctrine or science. I just know that women have menstruations this much, and Allah is asking, the people are asking with them to the messenger about the menstruation. So Allah said, it is a hurt. Qul huwa adha. And other word in Arabic, adha, is adha. Actually it is adhan, but when you pause it, it becomes adha. So now Allah said, Qul huwa adha. Say it is a hurt, anxiety, and other meanings to this word is they get irritated, they are hurt, they are depressed, they have tension, they are in grief, they feel lethargy, they are difficult in concentration, food cravings. So many things I have mentioned in when they are in menstruation. Medically also you can find out, a woman, if you say you feel like, no, I am not like this, you said like this, no, I am not. So I have said so many things. So woman has to come under some of these. You see, you tell the women, some women, they argue for nothing, for argument. You ask them, do you feel irritated during menstruation? No, I don't feel, I am very, you say, do you feel hurt? No, I don't feel hurt. Or you feel depressed? No, you feel don't. So when Allah says adha means aza, so one of these descriptive meanings she may fall into. So when Allah is provided this kind of behavior with the woman, she must understand. She must not fight against it. Now these men and these women, and including myself, we do not know this. So Allah has said, what you have to do? Detach from them, from the women in the menstruation. So you must understand, first physically and psychologically, both. Meaning you have to detach from the women. You understand this meaning, detach? Attach, detach. And further it says, and do not go near to them until they are purified. First is detaching, then not going near. That means you were attached. Psychologically or physically, how can you be attached to the woman that Allah said be detached? Because we are sharing one bed. Normally husband and wife, do they share one bed or not? Yes or no? Generally yes. Exception to the rule. So now detach during menses. Detach. Meaning they should not share the bed. Physically detachment. Psychological detachment is because they are irritated, because they are feeling hurt, because they are in tension, they may say certain things which may annoy you. You are not taking care of me. You are not doing this to me. I've been this, and there are many, I don't go into details. All women know. But listen to me very carefully, you men. Do not get involved in any kind of discourse. Detached with them means do not have any, don't comfort them. They don't want comfort. They are in that position that just detach. Detach means after the write down whatever the complaints you have, you write it down. once the phase of this period passes by, we'll have a healthy discussion at that time. Because they are irritated, a man is irritated sometime, a man you are trying to convey and he's irritated. So Allah is telling you that women are in that state of mind that you men should detach them. And women normally unconsciously get involved into a dialogue or a discussion or debate, and the husbands are not aware because Allah is saying detach, they don't understand. They get into a dialogue and debate. What is the result? Quarrel, a big quarrel, a real big quarrel. Enmity starts. You say certain words, it goes into the hearts of the woman. She keeps in her heart. And you, the man, because the man did not realize that she was not feeling well, he said it. So what happens is a big quarrel. So after the period passes by, the man has kept in his heart and the woman has kept in his heart. So that hurt is carried forward in the normal days. Then she will not give you 1 inch of room to have a dialogue. And neither you will give 1 inch room to have a dialogue. Because you are so much hurt. You have hurted your wife to an extreme case. And she has hurted you to an extreme case. You did not follow the commandment of Allah. Detached means psychological, physical, total detachment. It's not a disgrace. Do not ever woman should think it is a disgrace. It is betterment for you that man should not involve in any kind of discourse, any intercourse, no sexual, no mental. Ask her to write it down. Whatever the ill and hurts and feelings you've got it with me in these days, you write it down. And when the time comes by, when the time will pass over, then we'll sit down and have a dialogue. But no, not now. So that is why in the Quran Allah said, do not go near women, do not pray in these timings, because Allah says further, go near until they are purified. When they are purified, then come to them, and Allah has ordered you. Means do not go near them until they are purified. Purified means once they are in the state of menstruation, it's a hurt, and they are not purified. Meaning psychologically and physically they don't feel purified. Physically also, psychology also. It is in the ayat. So we must know. So in those times, Quran is also, Allah said, do not read the Quran, or that's a separate discussion, and you mean Salah. Because Salah is a communication with Allah. You are not purified, how can you? Allah said, La yamassuhu illa al-mutahharun. It is for men and women both. Men also are not purified. They can't touch the essence of Allah's ayahs. So women in these periods are not purified. They can't touch the essence of Allah's ayahs. So you must understand, men, believing men, it's an education. Whenever your wives are in that phase, it is you who have to detach. They have to get educate from them, because they are in that state of mind. Whatever the reason they may have, you can write it down. After 7 days I will talk to you. And if you practice in life, then the healthy relationship begins. If you will not, if you read it and you keep on having those dialogues, and you keep on having sleeping in the same time, believe me, it will depart. It will more it will be to the extent of divorce. Believe me, because that's what's going on in the Western world, or in the non-Muslim society. They don't practice this ayat. They try to prove by the medical science that it is all right. Nothing happens. Astaghfirullah. And believe me, by their theories. The fact is, it is that she feels this position. She should be separated in those times. And then Allah said, then come to them from where Allah has ordered you. This ayat is very clear. Every man knows how and when, how to go near women where Allah has ordered you.